Hello, welcome back to another video. What have we got on the agenda for today? Well, if you remember in the last video, we said we were going to be sorting out this mossy, slippy driveway and getting it back to its former glory. But before we can do that, there's a few things we need to do. And that is, first of all, pick all these leaves up. And then we need to get on with some chemicals to start breaking down that moss so it comes away easier when we start power washing. Okay, so that's the leaves all nicely tidied up. So what's up next is that I've got my new Berthoud Elite Pro 8 sprayer, and I've just filled this up with Back50 and sodium hypochlorite at the recommended rates. This is just going to start breaking down all the dirt and all the moss, ready for when we come back and power wash in a week, so that it all comes away nice and easy and we don't damage the pointing. Okay, so today is the power washing day. It's Friday, the 6th of December. As you can see, the sodium hypochlorite and Back50 have done a great job in starting the cleaning process, and it's brought down all that moss and gone orange and killed it off. So what we're going to do now is get the power washer out and give this a really good deep clean. Now, on with the pressure washing. I didn't at this point put any TFR Ultra on because I wasn't sure how dirty these sets were, and I didn't want to waste what I had, because if it was really grimy, it wouldn't really eat away at the underneath it, which is what I really want to attack. So I've just gone ahead without, and as you can see, they're not that dirty in actual fact. The chemicals that we did put on have done a great job, and it's easy peasy, and that moss is coming away really easy as well. Okay, so that's the first pass done with the power washer. It's absolutely beautiful. I didn't realise this drive was under here. But what we did notice was I couldn't quite get rid of the algae on the left side as we look out from the house. So what I'm going to do is go in with some TFR and see if I can get rid of it. Okay, so I'm just going over with the TFR in my sprayer. I've just put it in neat at this point, just more concentrated. It'll just get a deeper clean, and that caustic soda will open up those pores and let any remaining dirt out. So I just concentrate a bit more on that left side, and I just rinse it off, going over the areas where I've missed. I did just miss a few areas where I just hadn't quite done a decent enough job with getting rid of the moss. But 2 passes and we've got it sorted. Okay, so I'm just rinsing off this bottom end area where I put the TFR Ultra on in a little bit more of a concentrated fashion. It's got rid of some of the moss that I had a problem with, but not all of it. So what I've done is I've just got the sodium hypochlorite out and I've just poured this on neat and just wicking it in with a wire brush, and it's really doing a job for me and breaking down that deep ingrained moss. So we just give it a final rinse off. And as you can see there, it looks really clean, and that green algae mossy stuff has now departed the scene. Just give you an up close view. Absolutely beautiful. Okay, so that's this job done. Let's just have a look at the before and after. Absolute great job. I'm really pleased how it's turned out. So what we're going to do next time in part 2 is repair these setts. I'm going to show you how to do that. So take care and we'll see you soon.